If you're enjoying this tutorial so far and learning something new, take a quick moment to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon.
Hi everyone. In this video, we'll install Homebrew on the macOS the clean way. We'll use the Brave browser to get the official commands, install it in the terminal, fix the part, and confirm everything is working fine. So let's get started. Let's click on the Brave icon in the dock and open it up, and then type in the search brew installation. Once you type that in, there'll be a lot of options coming up. So we'll be only following the official website. Let me maximize the zoom in the page so it will be clearly visible. Let me click on the Homebrew, the missing package manager for the Mac OS or the Linux. Once you open it, you would see this is an official website. Or let me maximize it a little more on this page as well. Zoom in. So it looks clear. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to copy this link from the installation Homebrew. So copy that link and paste it in the terminal window. What this command is doing is you need to understand it very carefully. Like this command uses the Apple built-in scripting tool to download and run the Homebrew installer safely. So if you're downloading this, you need to know that the Homebrew installer is set up on your Mac and it installs the recommended location for your system. So this command does it all. Like what is bin bash -c does it in the starting is like it runs these texts as a bash commands. And what does the curl command is doing is like it downloads the installation script quietly and safely. And the GitHub URL is the official Homebrew installation script is. So once you click on enter, what happens afterwards is like the Homebrew is getting, it will ask for the password, type in the password, and it'll start to install it. The installation is successful. Usually it prints out the next steps like what the path and where the path needs to be set up. So usually on the Apple Silicon Macs, it's like opt Homebrew. If it's like Intel Macs, it's like user local. So you need to make sure where you are setting this path, zprofile or .zshrc profile. Let's copy and paste this. And once you finish this, what you're going to do next is like you need to source it. Once you type the command and it will start to reload it. And once it's done, what you're going to do, the next steps is we're going to follow. So on the right side, you will see like there are some other or information steps which you could follow, and you can also test it. But just type it brew command, you will see there is an output coming back. So that means like brew is installed. Congratulations, you have the brew installed on your PC now. So the next step is like you can install any of the package manager from the brew, and also you can test this commands as well. So I'm just going to do a cd opt Homebrew. As I said, like I'm not using the Intel, I'm using the Apple Silicon. So I will have this location set. So I'll just do like ls, and I'll see all the files and the folders built below that folder under Homebrew. So congratulations, you have the Homebrew installed now on the PC. So what are the next steps is like brew installed, path is fixed, and everything is verified. So if you want to tell me which tools you want to install next, you can tell me, like for example, kubectl, terraform, helm, or anything else, and I'll share a clean setup list for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
This video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Good Shoes. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next